Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Busola of Oradugba, and today we're making this gorgeous ponytail. Now let's get into it. So guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. How have you guys been? So today, look at me. Honestly, I sat down there comfortably looking for what is not lost. I don't know. Meanwhile, I added small temporary dye to my hair. Yes, ginger is the name of the color. Do you guys like it? Now let's get busy. So today guys, I'm going to be making DIY ponytail. This was what I did. There was a particular crochet I got last month. That was in January. So I really like it, and because it was really long, that's a thing for me. So I've decided to make ponytail with it. I'm going to show you everything that you're going to need for this tutorial in the comment section. Of course, you're going to need your hands, your two hands. You're going to need crocheting, or if you have ponytail already. There was a particular video I did on how to attach a ponytail to maybe your shuku or anything you get, but this particular ponytail is a DIY ponytail that I made myself from my crochet that I had at home already. Does that make sense to you? Just watch me closely. I'm going to end the voice over right here. I said voice note. I always make that mistake. Sorry about that. So yeah, guys, you need to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. But you people don't want me to grow or what? Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section. It doesn't cost any money. You understand what I'm saying? All right guys, take care of yourself, and I would see you in my next video. Peace out.